In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a free appointment booking calendar to your website with Calendly, step by step. This is a super simple way to let visitors schedule time with you without back and forth emails, and it works great for coaches, freelancers, consultants, service businesses, and really anyone who wants a clean booking experience on their site. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is where all of your event types are stored, and it's also where you choose which booking link or calendar you want to place on your website. Now find the event type you want to add. This could be a discovery call, consultation, demo, meeting, or any other appointment type you've already created. When you see the event you want, click the three-dot More menu next to it. This menu gives you extra options for managing that event. From the list, click Add to Website. Calendly will now open the embed options for that event, which is exactly what you need to place the calendar directly on your site. Next, you'll need to choose an embed type. Calendly usually gives you a few choices, including Inline Embed, Popup Widget, or Popup Text. If you want the booking calendar to appear directly inside a page, the inline embed is usually the best option. If you want something a little more flexible or less visible until someone clicks it, you can use a pop-up widget or pop-up text instead. Choose the option that fits your website layout and your goals. After selecting the embed type, click Continue. On the next screen, Calendly may show you a few customization settings. You can adjust things like appearance, sizing, and how the booking form behaves on your site. If you want it to match your branding better, take a moment to review those settings and make any changes you need. Once everything looks good, click Copy Code. This copies the Calendly embed code to your clipboard so you can paste it into your website. Now open the page or website editor where you want the booking calendar to appear. This could be your home page, contact page, services page, or a dedicated booking page. Find the area in your HTML or website builder where you want the calendar to show up and paste the embed code there. If you're using a website platform like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Webflow, or a custom HTML site, the exact steps may look a little different, but the idea is the same. Paste the code into the section where you want Calendly to display. After pasting the code, save your changes. Then publish your website or update the page so the calendar becomes live for your visitors. Once it's published, go back and test the page to make sure the booking calendar appears correctly and the appointment flow works the way you expect. If something looks off, double check that you copied the full embed code and placed it in the right section of the page. And that's it. You've now added a free appointment booking calendar to your website with Calendly. This is one of the easiest ways to make your site more professional, more interactive, and much better at converting visitors into booked appointments. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials that help you save time and grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.